Shumps, what's good with y'all, man? Welcome back to another video. We got Happy Tree Friends. I've got you under my skin. Thank you to whoever recommended this video. Keep recommending more videos. Smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Let's get it. There we go. She ain't gonna put no clothes on, bro. It's kind of cold out there. About to get sick. Yeah, you're done. Bitch gonna lock herself the fuck out the. You're gonna lock yourself out the crib. Good fucking shit, man. You better bust through that fucking window. That's all I know. Oh my gosh! Fuck! Ah, boy! My son English fake nice though. That bitch dead, bro. She over there. Oh, she's still alive. Ah. Smart guy. Oh, never mind. Oh, oh my gosh. Ugh. And what the fuck was that, nigga? You just took. Ew, nigga. Sniffles, you a weird nigga, bro. Alright, but my son fake smart though. I be forgetting he like a little scientist. Fucking dork. Why didn't you just go to that one the first time, my nigga? What the fuck? Ew, Lumpy, what the fuck? Wait, nigga, is he trying to go inside of the girl? Like the fucking pink one? Cause nigga, that's the least of your fucking problems is her fucking fever. Nigga, her brain is literally fucking exposed. Like she's bleeding out, my nigga. And you're gonna fucking worry about her fucking sinuses? Nigga, I don't give a fuck about the sinus. If that makes sense. I don't give a fuck about her being sick, nigga. She's bleeding out her brain. What the fuck? I gotta focus on the right shit, man. Oh my gosh. What the fuck? Bitch still trying to drink water. Bitch, go to the fucking hospital. You think these two niggas gonna take care of you? Are you dumb? Are you stupid? And she just won't stop, bro. Lumpy, you killing yourself, my nigga. What the fuck are you doing? Oh, fuck no. It's over for my son. It's over for my son. Lumpy, I'm sorry, buddy. I love you, bro. You my nigga, but this is fucking... Oh, my gosh. Bitch, your brain is still exposed. You know, I really don't think Sniffles had to do all of this, bro. All you had to do was give my son some fucking NyQuil, Dayquil, some Tylenol. You know what I'm saying? Put a rag over your head, warm rag, you Gucci. But he just doing the most. Yeah, my son, it's over for my son. Like, my son Lumpy ain't even deserve this for real. He ain't really do shit. Oh, no. Oh, fuck! Oh my gosh, boy! Bitch, how the fuck her brain just magically healed? What? They did my son slime, boy! Oh my gosh! Oh shit, boy! Yeah, it's your turn, boy. You had to die. You had to die, nigga. You had to go, cause you the cause of all of this shit, my nigga. That's what you needed. First aid kit. Nigga want to make fucking robot fucking submarines and go inside of people. Nigga, are you dumb? Bro, you're fucking dead. Ah, shit, boy. It's over, bro. Oh, God, you're done. Oh, my God. What? I gotta do it, bro. What the fuck? Oh my gosh, boy! Why they did my son Lumpy like that though, bro? That's what I can't really understand, bro. What did he do? He didn't really do shit. It was Sniffles' fault, bro. Sniffles' fault. Nigga wanna make robots and shit, boy. Trying to fight viruses and shit, boy. Go to the fucking doctor. Put a thermometer in her fucking mouth or something, bro. But you wanna do some extra shit, nigga. You not even smart for real. I don't know why I'm going off on this nigga, bro, but my nigga Lumpy really ain't deserve that, bro, and it's really all Sniffles' fault, but oh well, bro. Thank y'all so much for watching, man. Make sure y'all smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. I love y'all. See y'all in the next video. Remember, you can achieve anything if you work hard, believe in yourself, and you trust God. Grow!